Hey Python learners, ever wanted to create your own interactive games? Today we're diving into building a classic, the number guessing game. It's super fun and perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build a basic game, understand how programs take your input, make decisions, repeat actions, and even generate random numbers, all in under 10 minutes. Ready? Let's go. Quick reminder, all the code snippets, extra challenges, a quiz, and key takeaways for this lesson are in the description below. Make sure to check them out to practice what you learn. Building this game needs 3 core ideas. First, user input. How do we get your guess? Python's input function. Your name equals input. What's your name? Print hello, your name. Input waits for you to type something and press enter. But remember, it always gives you back text. If you type a number like 25, it's the string 25, not the number 25. To do math, we use int to convert text to a whole number. Age star equals input. Enter your age, e.g. 25. Age int equals int, age star, e.g. 25. Print you will be age int plus 1 next year. If you try int hello, Python gives a value error. We'll handle this. Second, conditional logic. This is how our game tells you too high or too low. We use if, elif, short for else if, and else. Score equals 85. If score is greater than or equals 90, print excellent. Elif score is greater than or equals 70, print good job. Else, keep practicing. Python uses indentation to know which lines belong to which if or elif section. It's super important. Third, loops, specifically the while loop. Our game needs to keep asking for guesses while you haven't guessed the secret number. Counter equals 0. While counter is less than 3, print counting counter. Counter plus equals 1. This increases counter by 1. Print done counting. The loop runs as long as counter is less than 3. If we forget counter plus equals 1, it's an infinite loop. It'll run forever. We also use break to stop a loop immediately, like when you guess correctly. All right, let's code. Open your editor. First, we need the computer to pick a random secret number. Python has the random module for this. We import random at the top. Then random, randint1 100 gives us a whole number between 1 and 100. Import random, print, welcome to the number guessing game. Secret number equals random, randint1 100. Print, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. Now for the main game loop. We'll use a while loop that continues until our guess matches the secret number. We'll also track the number of guesses. Guess equals 0. Start with a guess that doesn't match. Guess count equals 0. While guess not equals secret number, try. Guess star equals input, enter your guess. Guess equals int guess star. Guess count plus equals 1, increase count for each valid guess. Accept value error. Print, oops, that's not a whole number, try again. Continue, skip to the next loop cycle if input is bad. See that try except? It's crucial. If the user types ABC, int would crash our program. Accept value error catches it, prints our error message, and continue makes the loop ask for input again without crashing. Inside our loop, after a valid guess, we tell the user if their guess is too high or too low. If guess is less than secret number. Too low, try again. Elif guess is greater than secret number, print too high, try again. Else, print congratulations, you guessed secret number in guess count guesses. Break, we guessed it. Exit the loop. When guess equals secret number, the else block runs, prints our win message, and break stops the while loop because the game is over. Let's play a round. I'll guess 50. Too low. Okay, 75. Congratulations, you guessed 75 in 2 guesses. Great, it's working. And that's it. A full playable number guessing game. Now for a challenge to really test your new skills. Limited guesses. Modify the game so the player only gets a certain number of tries, e.g. 7 guesses. If they run out, tell them the secret number and end the game. Play again. Can you wrap the whole game in another while loop so the user can choose to play multiple rounds without restarting the program? Hint. Ask input. Play again at the end and use lower. These challenges will help you combine everything we've learned in new ways. Awesome job today. You just built your very first interactive Python game. You now understand how to get user input with input and convert it to numbers with int. How to make your program make decisions using if, elif, and else. How to repeat actions with while loops and stop them with break. How to handle errors like value error using try except, and how to generate random numbers for endless fun. This is a huge step in your Python journey. In our next lesson, we'll explore how AI tools can actually help you write code faster and smarter, and we'll dive into some more advanced Python topics. Don't forget to grab all the free resources in the description: the full code, the challenge, a quiz to test your knowledge, and key takeaways. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. See you next time.